Day 52, becoming financially free, testing side hustles.
I'm doing affiliate marketing and I'm focusing on building my email list. I have 949 emails. I have this ebook, The 7 Steps to Becoming a Super Affiliate, and the 6th step is building your email list. Check this out. More emails equals more income. This is the system that I'm using to collect email. I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page from YouTube, Google, and my social media. And when people put their information in this page, I'm going to send to them the ebook through email. And then they will go to the bridge page in which I have a video. And in that video, I'm explaining the next steps. And some people are going to click a button here and they will be redirected to my affiliate offer. And if someone buys through that link, I can make a commission. But more importantly, I have an email.
Because people don't buy at the first interaction.
That's why I have this email sequence to give valuable information. And also I can promote my affiliate offer.
One of the best things about this model is that I can promote multiple affiliate offers.
I just need to add more emails to this sequence and I can promote supporting offers.
One of the reasons why is it important to collect emails, it's because you could lose your social media for whatever reason.